Scan the QR code, please. We are going to watch a Quaver video about something. Lower your volume. I'm waiting for you to be quiet. Screenshot this. We're gonna watch a Quaver video. Lower your volume, please. I'm waiting for you to be quiet. Screenshot that. Not today. Not today.
We're gonna play Blue Clip.
I can't make the internet no faster.
Don't put your fingers in the cage.
Does anybody want to take a pet home?
I can't make the internet load faster.
Hey, turn it off.
Sit down.
Keep your fingers off the cage.
No, you can't touch the animals.
Oh, it beat me.
Then don't mess with it.
I told you so.
5, 4, 3, 2. That's a warning.
Write your name on the back of the paper.
That's not makeup.
What's the only thing we caught?
Paper. Paper.
Go stand in the circle.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Hands up, one. Hands up, one. Ah. Coach, I hit myself.
Go rub some dirt on it.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.